Hello, good morning to all of you. So we will continue with our linear programming problems. So first of all, we will see how to draw a region on a graph paper. So yesterday we have seen how to draw a straight line. You know that any equation of this type, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are constant, any numbers, it represents a line. Yesterday we have seen that if you give different values to a, b and c, you get different lines. For example, if you give a equal to 1, b equal to 0 and c equal to 0, which line you will get? X, a, if you put a equal to 1 here, you will get 1 into x, that is x. If you put b equal to 0, this entire thing will become 0. And when you put c equal to 0, you will get it. So x is equal to 0. So this will give you x equal to 0. And you know what is x equal to 0? It is equation of which line? Y-axis, correct? Y-axis ka equation hota hai x equal to 0. So in this way, if you give different values to a, b and c, you get different lines. Okay. Let me take one more example. If I take a equal to 1, b equal to 0 and c equal to -5, what will I get? Put a equal to 1 here. So 1 into x, that is x. B equal to 0. So 0 into y, that is 0. And c equal to -5. So I will get x minus 5 equal to 0, which is same as x is equal to 5. And what is this x equal to 5? If I ask you to draw this line, can you draw this line on the graph paper? Yes, it is the equation of the line parallel to which axis? Y-axis. To the right side of y-axis or left side? Right side. Very good. So you know that if I give different values to a, b and c, I'm going to get different lines and I can plot them on the graph paper. So yesterday we have seen how to draw, I think 4 types of lines we have seen. One x-axis you already know, y-axis you already know. Then the line parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. And then one more line we have seen, that was, I'll just take out that. To draw a line on the plane. Okay, this was our topic. So if you want to draw this line, x plus y equal to 3, an equation is given to you here. So if you compare, this is your general equation, correct? A का value क्या है यहाँ पर? 1 है और b का 1 है और c का actually -3 है ना? 3, it is shifted to that side. No? So you can see that if I give different values, I'm getting different lines. Let us see how to draw this line. Yes, yesterday we have seen, but again I'm repeating it because today we are going to use it. So x plus y equal to 3, if you want to draw that line, to draw a line, you need minimum 2 points, correct? Which lie on this line. So how to get those 2 points? So what you do, you just make a table like this. In the first column, you write down the value of x. In the second column, find out the corresponding value of y. And then in the third column, write down the point. So I told you the easiest way is what? Take the value of x as 0, because 0 is a number which is very easy to deal with, okay, in the calculation. So when I put here x equal to 0, what am I going to get? 0 plus y equal to 3. So what will be the value of y? It will be 3. So I will get x equal to 0 if I put y equal to 3. So which point I'm getting here? 0 and 3. Okay, so I got 1 point which lies on this line. Next time you put y equal to 0, can you tell me what value x you will get? 3. So which point I'm getting? 3 and 0. Now let me make it very clear. It is not very hard and fast कि you give the value of x as 0 only or y 0 only. You can give any value. I'm only taking x equal to 0 or y equal to 0 just to ease my calculation. You can put x equal to 1 also. If you put x equal to 1, which point you will get? Y का value क्या आएगा? 2 आएगा. So which point I will get? 1 and 2. But I need only 2 points to draw a line, correct? So these two are sufficient for me. So let us plot these 2 points on the graph paper. So x is 0, this is your 0, 1, 2, and 3. And similarly, this is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. So here also 1, 2, and 3. So the first point is 0, 3. So x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 3. So that means this is the point which I may call it as P. This is the point 0 and 3. Correct? What is the other point? 3 and 0. So x coordinate is 3. So I have to look on the x-axis. So here it is. And y coordinate is 0. So this is the point which I may call it as Q. You can give any name to that, A, B, or P, Q, or whatever. This I don't need. I need only 2 points. Then what is the point? Next step is what? You join these 2 points and draw the line. So just join these 2 points. Okay, so you will get a line. And on this line, you can write the equation of that line. So what is the equation of this line? It is x plus y equal to 3. Correct? So I have drawn the line and then I have written the equation of that line. So this is what we have seen, how to draw a line. Now look at this line. Line is, I'm putting an arrow on both. Line is always endless. It is not stopping just at this point. Okay, so that is why we put an arrow. Now look at this line. This line divides the entire plane into 3 parts. Yesterday I have mentioned that. What are those 3 points? 3 parts. First part is the points which are lying on the line. Correct? The second part is the part which is above the line. Wait a minute. So I may use the different color for that. So maybe I can take this. So one part is the points which are on the line. On the line means which I have mentioned with the red color. The other part is the points which are above the line, which I have mentioned this region by the yellow ink, you can say. And then the next one is, third part is the part which is below this line. Correct? So the points which are on the line, you take any point on this line and add their x coordinate and y coordinate. You are going to get 3. Okay, so all the points which are on this line, they satisfy what? X plus y equal to 3. Understood? Now what are we going to do? The part of the plane which are above the line, that means this yellow wala. Okay? How you can express this part in a mathematical way. Similarly, the part of the plane which is below this line, how are you going to represent it mathematically? Okay, so that is what is our interest now. So this line we have already drawn, so I'm just deleting this part. We don't need it now. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to identify that these parts, how can I represent these 2 points mathematically? Correct? So remember one thing, whenever I use an equal sign, that is called an equation. Okay? An equation of this type will always give you a line. Okay? So if I'm not using an equation, I'm using the other symbols. Like suppose I'm using this x plus y. This symbol, you know, no? It is greater than. Okay? And the other one is suppose x plus y less than 3. Okay? So there are 3 symbols. I have one is equal, that represents a line. Now I want to see what will this represent? X plus y greater than 3. Okay? So to identify which region is given by this inequality, what you have to do is just take any point in this region. Take any point. So for example, I may take this point here, 3 and 2. It will be here somewhere. Yes or no? Let us take this point and call it as A. What are the coordinates? 3 and 2. देखो A का coordinate x से coordinate 3 है और A का maybe this point is here. Okay. A is 3, 2. Now put this, add x, 3 x and y coordinates. So what are you going to get? I'm taking the point A equal to 3, 2. Okay. So x is 3 and y is 2. If I add 3 plus 2, what am I going to get? 5. 5 is what? Is it equal to 3? No, it is greater than 3. So that means this portion of the line is given by what? This x plus y greater than 3. Because in this region, if I take any point and add their x and y coordinate, I am going to get a number which is bigger than 3. So this portion of the plane is represented by what? It is represented by, it is represented by x plus y greater than 3. Okay. Now you can guess. Equal to ये हो गया, greater than ये हो गया, तो ये नीचे का portion क्या होना चाहिए? It should be less than x plus y less than 3. And it is very easy to check that. How? Look at in ये जो line है, इसके नीचे के portion में आप कोई भी एक point ले लो. Suppose I take this point. You can see ना, what are the coordinates of this point? O. Okay, coordinate क्या होते हैं? 0, 0. Correct? तो ये point जो है वो इस line के नीचे के portion में है और O के coordinate क्या होते हैं? 0, 0. Now add these two coordinates x plus y. I'm going to get 0 which is less than 3. So that means ये जो नीचे का जो portion है, it is given by the inequality x plus y less than 3. See, whenever I use this symbol, it is called an equation. Whenever I use this type of symbols, it is called an inequation or inequality. Okay. So equation always represents a line and inequalities represent the region above the line or below the line. Okay. Now, if you remember, one more thing we have discussed yesterday, that was, suppose instead of x plus y greater than 3, I use this symbol, greater than or equal to 3. Because in our, when we will solve the problems of linear programming, most of the time we will using this symbol. Now, if I ask you, what is this region on the graph paper? Can you tell me? This symbol is what? Greater than as well as equal. Okay. So when I'm talking about greater than, it is the portion of the line of the plane above the line. Equal to 3 is on the line. So this will represent what? Everything on the line together with above the line. Okay. So that means this will be what? It will be everything on the line along with everything here. So this is the shaded portion will be given by this. Okay, understood? Similarly, if I use this less than or equal to 3, and if I ask you, plot this on the graph paper, तो आप क्या करोगे? मुझे कैसे शो करोगे? x plus y less than 3 मतलब कौन सा पोर्शन? लाइन के नीचे का पोर्शन, और इक्वल टू 3 मतलब जो लाइन के ऊपर है. तो आपको अगर बताना है ये पोर्शन, तो यू कैन शेड दिस रीजन. यू मे से एवरीथिंग हियर एंड एवरीथिंग हियर. तो यहाँ पर मैंने दोनों एक ही में बताया, तो इट इज नॉट लुकिंग वेरी नीट, बट दैट वे यू कैन डू इट. ओके. So the basic idea is to understand. Okay. Now today what are we going to do? अभी हमने ये line कैसे draw करते हैं वो देख लिया, region कैसे draw करते हैं वो देख लिया. This also I think we have taken yesterday. Now today what we are going to do is we are going to plot more than one region. अभी तक हम लोगों ने एक ही region draw किया था. We are going to plot more than 2 regions and we are going to see what is the common point in that. Common portion क्या है? So that is first one. I'm starting with a very, very simple one. Plot the region given by the inequalities x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0. Can you tell me, can you identify what is this reason x greater than or equal to 0? This is my x-axis, and let me take red color only because that is more visible. Okay. So this, you know that if it is an x-axis and if it is a y-axis, you know this. My question is what? Draw this region on the graph paper. X greater than or equal to 0. So I'll tell you one thing. Whenever you have to draw a region on the graph paper, this is an inequality. It's not an equality. So what you have to do? ये जो symbol है less than or equal to, इसको आप पहले equal कर दो. तो ये आपको क्या मिलेगा? Line मिलेगा. Correct? So draw this line first. What is this line? X equal to 0. Is it x-axis? Y-axis. Equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. So ये जो line है, it is my y-axis. Okay, this one. If I am asking about greater than 0, greater than, मतलब x is greater than 0. You know this. When x is greater than 0, this is my 0. Positive numbers कहाँ होते हैं? Right side है ना? और ये negative numbers. Similarly, positive numbers are on the top, I mean above origin, and negative numbers are below the origin. So x equal to 0 is this line, correct? Y-axis. I want x greater than or equal to 0. तो ये लाइन देखो, ये लाइन कितनी पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रही है पूरे प्लेन को? 3 पार्ट में. एक तो ये पॉइंट्स ऑन द लाइन, राइट साइड ऑफ द line, this portion right side of the line, and the third part is what? Left side of the line. Okay, so which region will be represented by this greater than 0? कहां पर x greater than 0 है? इस लाइन के राइट में कि लेफ्ट में? राइट. देखो ना, राइट में सब पॉजिटिव है ना, तो इसका मतलब x greater than or equal to 0 कौन सा रीजन हो गया? It is this region. Are you agree with this? देखो ना, x का वैल्यू पॉजिटिव कहाँ है? राइट साइड ऑफ y एक्सिस. So this. Now, if I'm asking you about x greater than or equal to 0, ये देखो, greater than as well as equal to 0. So greater than मतलब everything to the right, and equal to मतलब on the y axis. So this region is what? This region is here. आपको थोड़ा सा ध्यान देने का जरूरत है. So this region is everything on this line and to the right side. Are you getting this point? Yes or no? So what is x greater than or equal to 0? Everything on y axis and to the right of y axis. Correct? Look at this region. Y greater than or equal to 0. अगर आपको ये वाला रीजन ड्रॉ करना है तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? पहले हम क्या ड्रॉ करेंगे? y इक्वल टू 0 लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे, तभी तो हमें पता चलेगा कि ये जो इनइक्वालिटी है ये कौन सा पोर्शन है लाइन का. तो पहले ये वाली लाइन ड्रॉ करो. व्हाट इज दिस लाइन? y इक्वल टू 0. इट इज x एक्सिस. करेक्ट? सो दिस इज माय x एक्सिस व्हिच इज y इक्वल टू 0. I want what? Y greater than 0. So which portion of this line will it be left? Huh? Y equal to 0 is this line, x axis. Y greater than 0 कहाँ है? इस लाइन के लेफ्ट राइट कुछ नहीं है. क्या है इस लाइन के? ऊपर और नीचे है ना. लाइन कैसा है उसके ऊपर देखो. When I was talking about y axis, the portion of the the plane was divided into 3 parts, everything on the line, right side and left side. But when I'm talking about y equal to 0, this line, it is which line? It is x axis. So x axis is the y equal to 0 line. Now this line is dividing the entire plane into 3 parts. What are those 3 parts? Everything on this line, first part. Second part, everything above this line. And third part, what? Below this. So now it will not be always left and right. It depends upon the line. कैसा line है वो? करेक्ट. तो ये लाइन की बात जब हम लोग कर रहे हैं तो इट इज नॉट लेफ्ट एंड राइट, इट इज अबव एंड बिलो. तो लेट मी ड्रॉ दिस बाय यूजिंग अनदर कलर, say yellow. Okay, so y equal to 0, it is this line, correct? I want y greater than or equal to this. I want, okay, it will be what? Everything on this line and together with what? Everything above this line, correct now? Yes or no? तो मैंने क्या किया, एक ही ग्राफ पेपर के ऊपर ये दोनों रीजन को ड्रॉ कर दिया. ठीक है, व्हाट इज दिस रीजन? x greater than or equal to 0. This region is what? With red color. Yes or no? And what is this region? Which is given by yellow portion. Now what I want? I want the region which is satisfying this as well as this. दोनों में जो common है. So from this diagram, can you tell me what is common to both? जहां पर x भी greater than or equal to 0 हो और y भी greater than or equal to 0, मतलब जिस पोर्शन में रेड कलर भी आ रहा है और येलो कलर भी आ रहा है, ऐसा पोर्शन कौन सा पोर्शन है? फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट. वेरी गुड. फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में देखो रेड कलर के एरो भी है और येलो कलर के भी एरो है. तो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट अलोंग विथ दिस लाइन, ये देखो ये वाला में भी येलो है ना, रेड एंड येलो. सो इसका मतलब the reason which is given by these two inequalities is what? यहां से लेकर के यहां तक ये एंड पूरा ये. if you want I can shed this. तो ये जो पूरा रीजन है from all this point on the y axis, all the point on the x axis, but up to this, so it is only the first quadrant. Yes or no? Only, so this is representing what? First quadrant. First quadrant. I think I should use another color so it will not be visible. Okay. So this is my So this is my first quadrant. I hope you have understood this. तो मैंने यहाँ क्या किया, दोनों रीजन को एक साथ ग्राफ पेपर पर ड्रॉ किया and then I have taken the region which is common to both. Okay, so I have tried to explain you by using different colors. So this is a very important reason for us because this will only restrict us to the first quadrant. Now remember one thing, in our linear programming problem, these two inequalities will always be there. Okay, that shows what? Ki we have to deal with only this quadrant. We don't want second quadrant, third and fourth. यानी हमारे x और y के जो वैल्यू है वो हमेशा पॉजिटिव ही होंगे. x is greater than 0 मतलब पॉजिटिव, y greater than or equal greater than 0. और at the most they can be equal हो सकते हैं, but not negative. Understood now? So this is what. Now let us take one more problem to illustrate this. Plot the region given by the inequalities x greater than or equal to 5 and y greater than or equal to 2. Now you are all having sitting with the notebook. एक rough graph बना लो and tell me what is this region x greater than or equal to 5. So to draw this region, first of all, you will have to draw the line. Okay. So can you tell me what is the line x equal to 5? X equal to 5. ये कौन सी line होती है? It will be parallel to which axis? Y axis. Y axis. Very good. So let us draw this line first. So you know that I have plotted these. This is my x axis. And this is my y-axis. This is the origin 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So Draw the line x equal to 5. Where is x equal to 5? This is my x-axis. X equal to 5 means here. So which line it will be? It will be the line which is parallel to which axis? Y-axis. So x equal to 5, it is this line. Please excuse me अगर मैं अच्छी तरह से line को draw नहीं कर पा रही हूँ तो. So this is for which line? X equal to 5. Okay. Which portion I want? Less than or equal to. That means less than B or equal B. यानी मुझे कौन से साइड का पोर्शन चाहिए? देखो ना यहाँ पर 5 से लेस मतलब लेफ्ट साइड का पोर्शन है ना. तो मेरा ये जो पोर्शन है x less than or equal to 5, it is I am denoting by blue arrow. Even this side also I can take, है ना, everything which is less than or equal to 5. Now draw the other one, y greater than or equal to 2. Take another color. So let me take this orange color. Y greater than or equal to 2. So first of all, draw the line y equal to 2. Where will be this line? Parallel to which axis? X axis. ऐसे याद रखो आप. X equal to something parallel to y axis. उल्टा है. Y equal to something parallel to x axis. So y equal to 2. This is my y axis. 2 कहाँ है यहाँ पर? इधर है. ठीक है? तो y equal to 2. Which line it will be? It will be a line which is parallel to x axis. So this is my line y equal to 2. I want what region? Greater than or equal to 2. So ये line ऐसा है. तो which portion of the line will be given by this? Above. You can see ना, इस line के ऊपर सब y के coordinates 2 से बड़ा है. Correct? So it is what? Everything which I am showing by yellow arrow. This is okay. Now what I want? I want the region which is given by what? These two inequalities. Together I have to see now in the same. तो कौन सा portion ऐसा है जो ये भी satisfy कर रहा है और ये भी कर रहा है? X is less than or equal to 5. It is this portion. And y greater than or equal to 2. It is this portion. So can you tell me which portion it will be? जहाँ पर blue भी है, yellow भी है. नहीं, I am not restricting to first quadrant. मैंने x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0 नहीं लिखा है. तो the portion जिसमें yellow भी है और blue भी है, तो ये portion कौन सा है? ये देखो, ये और everything here in this region. Are you agree to this? Everything here. जिसमें ये blue arrow मतलब ये पूरा यहाँ तक है ना arrow. So you should be able to visualize the geometry. अगर आपको visualize करने को होता है, so then you will find it easy. Okay. So look at here. I'm sorry. So look at here. जिसमें blue portion भी है और yellow portion भी है. I cannot take this portion क्योंकि इसमें केवल blue arrow है. Correct? I cannot take that. I cannot take this portion also because उसमें केवल yellow है, blue नहीं है. I want blue as well as yellow. So all the points which are here and to the left of this. So everything here. आ गया समझ में? तो आपको ये inequalities draw करना आना चाहिए, तभी हम linear programming problem पढ़ सकते हैं. ओके, तो ये मैंने आपको कुछ 2 एग्जाम्पल दिए. दोनों ही एग्जाम्पल्स वर वेरी वेरी सिंपल. Now let us move for little bit of complicated ones. Not complicated, but slightly on the above side. तो ये आपको समझ में आ गया? Okay. Let us move ahead. See now what I'm doing. Plot the reason given by the inequalities. ये 3 inequality दिया है मैंने. तीनों में कॉमन चाहिए मुझे. X के अभी तक मैं 2 का ही ले रही थी ना. अभी मैंने 3 ऐड कर दिए हैं. X is greater than or equal to 0. Y is greater than or equal to 0. And what is my third one? X plus 5 less than or equal to 5. Okay. Now you know these two हमने पहले वाले प्रॉब्लम में किए थे. ये क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है? फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट. Yes. So that means that shows कि मुझे मेरा जो रीजन है वो only it should be restricted to the first quadrant. I don't want the other 3 quadrants. So I know what is x greater than or equal to 0. I also know what is y greater than or equal to 0. Now what is remaining? Third wala. So this is my, wait a minute. Let me use black color. Okay. This is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. Okay. I know what is x greater than or equal. This is origin 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. I don't need that much. So I'm writing only up to. I don't bother to write the things here because I will not be using these 3 quadrants. Okay. I only use this quadrant because of why I'm using only these 2 quadrants. Look at my these 2. इसलिए मुझे यहाँ नहीं जाना. Now what I want is x plus y less than or equal to 5. So I want to draw this region. ये region draw करने के लिए सबसे पहले मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? ये line draw करना पड़ेगा. X plus y equal to 5. Unless I draw the line, I will not be able to identify कि ये region कौन सा है. ठीक है? So you know how to draw the line. Can you tell me which 2 points will be there on this line? 0, 0, 5. And you put, and the other one 5, 0. These are, there are other points also like 1, 4. 1, 4 will also be there. What about this point 1, 4? Maybe इस line के ऊपर होगा. Because 1 plus 4 gives you 5. 2, 3 भी होगा. But we need only 2 points. Okay. So we will first draw the line. And to draw the line, we need only 2 points. So we will make a, as I told you, we will make a table like this. So when I put x equal to 0, y will be 5. So I will get the 0.05. When I put y equal to 0, I'll get x equal to 5. So I'll get 0.5. Now what we have to do is plot these 2 points on the graph paper. So 0.5 is x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 5. So this is the point which is 0, 5. The other point is 5, 0. So x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 0. So it is the point 5, 0. So I have plotted these 2 points. Now what I have to do? Join these 2 points. So let me join these 2 points. Okay. So this is the line. Which line it is? X plus y equal to 5. I can write on the top of that line, I can write its equation. Now what I want to identify what region will be given by x plus y less than or equal to 5. So can you suggest something? Will it be above the line or below the line? It is very simple to check that. Look at this. Take any point below the line. It is 0, 0. Very, I mean, you can take any one. I'm taking 0, 0. When I put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, I'll get 0. And 0 is less than 5. So that means which portion is represented by this? Let us mark that portion by orange. Okay. So it is everything. What? Everything below the line and where? On the line. On the line bhi hai na? Because I'm talking about less than or equal to, because of this equal to also. So this orange color or yellow color, whatever you can say, this is representing everything on this line together with everything below the line. It is my this region. Are you getting this? So x plus this region is x plus y less than or equal to 5. Okay, understood? Now what I want? I want the common portion. So common portion means जो इसमें भी है, इसमें भी है और इसमें भी है. तो you know that तीनों का मुझे common चाहिए. X greater than or equal to 0 मतलब कौन सा portion? Greater than or equal to 0 मतलब ये portion. ठीक है? ये यहाँ का portion नहीं चाहिए मुझे. Second quadrant वाला. Y greater than or equal to 0 मतलब ऊपर का portion. Means I want only the first quadrant. So what will be the common area of all the three inequalities? Can you identify that? क्या कॉमन है? हाँ, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, तीनों का एरिया कॉमन, तीनों में कॉमन क्या एरिया है? So I can say it is from, let me use a different color so that you can see that. So I may use the color red. Okay. Okay. So everything from here to here and यहाँ से यहाँ तक और ये जो ट्रायंगल देख रहे हो आप, it is the common portion. ये जो मैंने स्क्वायर से बताया है, तो दिस पोर्शन, ये जो मैंने ऐसा किया है, दिस पोर्शन इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय ऑल दीज थ्री. यस और नो? सो यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. तो इस तरह से सबसे पहले हमने दो इनइक्वालिटीज का कॉमन रीजन देखा, एंड इन दिस प्रॉब्लम वी हैव सीन कॉमन रीजन फॉर थ्री इनइक्वालिटीज. Slowly we will move ahead and we will see for the 4. Up to 4, 5 also you have, but in this pandemic situation in online exam, you will not be asked more than 4. Okay. I think so, 95%. I am also not sure because nothing has come from university so far. Only what I can tell is in the second week of Jan, your exam will be there. But most probably, looking at the situation, I feel it should be online. But don't trust on my words. Okay. You will get the notification. So ये आपको समझ में आ गया? Okay. Now quickly we will see this. Plot the reason given by the inequalities. Now यहाँ देखो मैंने आपको 4 inequalities दिया. As I told you, जो भी हम ये जो मैं आपको अभी बता रही हूँ, इट्स ओनली आई एम गिविंग यू ए बेस. जो अभी हम कर रहे हैं, इट्स ओनली ए बेस फॉर लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग. वी हैव नॉट येट स्टार्टेड विद लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग प्रॉब्लम. क्या होता है अभी तो मैंने डिफाइन भी नहीं किया है. सो आई एम ओनली क्रिएटिंग ए बेस. ये आपको आ गया तो वी कैन स्टार्ट विद लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग प्रॉब्लम. ओके. मे बी ये वीक में तो लेक्चर नहीं है, लेक्चर्स होंगे क्योंकि टुमारो एंड डे आफ्टर यू आर हैविंग संस्कृत ना. So they won't be lecture, and then Saturday से आपको Christmas break है. तो when you come after the break, then we will start with actual linear programming. It's only a base I'm creating. Okay. Now we have to plot this region given by all the 4 inequalities. So out of what I have to do, I have to plot all the 4 and take the common portion. Okay. Now these two you already know. What does these two suggest? You have to restrict your graph only up to first quadrant. You know that है ना. X greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0 कहाँ होता है? ये क्वाड्रेंट में या फिर इस लाइन के ऊपर यहाँ तक और यहाँ तक. ठीक है. Now let us draw this region x plus 2y less than or equal to 6. So to draw this region, you need to first draw the line. Okay. So quickly draw the line. Let me use the black color only. So draw the line first. Can you draw the line x plus 2y equal to 6? Tell me what 2 points will be there. This is 0, 1, 2. Let me take थोड़ा बड़ा लेती हूँ तो आपको this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4 and so on. ठीक है. एक ये हो गया. दूसरी लाइन क्या है? 3x plus 2y 6. Okay. So इधर 1, 2. Okay. I'm taking only up to 3. Let us see. Can you tell me which 2 point will be there on this? Make a table like this. So when you put x equal to 0, what is the value of y? 3. So which point? 0, 3. When you put y equal to 0, 6. So 6, 0. So 0, 3 and 6, 0. So where is 0, 3? 0, 3 is this point. Correct, no? This is 0, 3. And what is the point 6, 0? It is here. Correct, no? Join them. Join these 2 points. this is the line. Which line it is? X plus 2y equal to 6. I want less than or equal to 6. So which portion it will be? Below the line? Yes, because you can see यहाँ आपको सामने सामने दिख रहा है, कोई भी एक पॉइंट ले लो, 0 0 0. When you put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, you'll get 0, which is less than 6. तो ये जो region है, it is which region? Below the line. Correct, no? So let us use a different color. तो ये portion पूरा इस line के नीचे का portion. Yes or no? And on the line also ना, तो ये भी मतलब जो मैंने yellow से I am not just remember I am not going to use these 3 for done. मतलब मेरा ये जो arrow कहाँ तक जा रहा है? Only up to this quadrant. ये आपको समझ के लेना पड़ेगा because of these 2, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than. So I have to take only the first quadrant. Look at this, the second one, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 6. कौन कौन से 2 पॉइंट होंगे? Now draw this line, 3x plus 2y equal to 6. So make the same way table. When you put x equal to 0, which point y? Y will be 3. So 0, 3. When you put y equal to 0, x will be 2. So 2, 0. Correct? Now plot this point 0, 3. X is 0, y is 3. मतलब ये point ना 0, 3 दोनों में ही है. ये जो point है 0, 3, it is there on this line also and on this line also. So this is the point 0, 3. Okay. What is the other point? 2, 0. X is 2. A point 2, 0. Now what you have to do? Join these 2. So A point और A point को join करना है आपको. 2, 0. Yes. So this line. Okay. A line क्या है? X plus 3x plus 2y equal to 6. Yes, correct. Which portion I want? 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 6. Can you tell me which portion of this line will be denoted by this? नीचे का या ऊपर का portion? नीचे का portion. Correct. So let me use another color here. Say that. तो ये portion. इस line के नीचे का portion. I am going only up to this. Now I am asking you one thing. अभी आपने ये चारों रीजन देख लिए. ये वाला रीजन कौन सा है? x plus 2y less than or equal to 6. ये लाइन और येलो कलर, मतलब ये जो एरो है. ये कौन सा है? ये लाइन रेड कलर ना, मतलब दिस लाइन एंड बिलो दिस रेड कलर. एंड व्हाट इज दिस? x greater than or equal to 0 मतलब क्या? ये पोर्शन. एंड y greater than or equal to 0 मीन्स ये पोर्शन. अब चारों में क्या चीज कॉमन है? कितना पोर्शन कॉमन है चारों में? सी, यहां से यहां तक, फिर ये और ये जो ट्रायंगल देख रहे हो आप, दिस ट्रायंगल, इट इज कॉमन टू ऑल द 4. ओके, सो लेट मी जस्ट हाईलाइट इट विथ से ग्रीन कलर. सो ये जो पोर्शन है यहां से यहां तक, यहां से यहां तक, और ये पोर्शन, मतलब ये जो ट्रायंगल जो आप देख रहे हो, दिस ट्रायंगल, okay? This triangle I may call it as AOB. So this triangle AOB is what? It is the portion which is given by all the 4 inequalities. Yes or no? You understood? तो हमने क्या किया? सारे रीजन्स को पहले 1 by 1 ड्रॉ किया. पहले हमने ये वाला रीजन ड्रॉ किया. इट वाज दिस लाइन एंड एवरीथिंग बिलो द लाइन. ये जो एरो है ना, एरो है यहाँ पर, मतलब ये यहाँ तक है पूरा. ठीक है. ये वाला लाइन क्या था? 3x plus 2y. I mean this reason it was this red color वाला लाइन और everything below this line. What is x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal? हम ऑलरेडी देख चुके हैं. It is first one. So I have everything which is common to all the four. It is given me this area. And this area is called as a feasible region. We are going to talk about this more when you actually solve the linear programming problem. Okay. So today we have, understood the base of the linear programming problem, how to draw a straight line, how to draw an inequality, and how to draw a inequality, a portion which is common to, means feasible region. इसको feasible region बोलते हैं. ठीक है? So I think we will stop here, and next time after the vacation when we meet, I will actually start with. So I think within a week time, I will be able to complete the syllabus. Okay. So thank you all. And for the vacation, I'm going to give you certain homework, and also all my recordings, I'm going to tell you, give you that link so that you can visit. Don't waste these vacation. Huh? क्योंकि इस vacation के immediately बाद आपके exam चालू हो जाएंगे. And I feel most of you are not celebrating Christmas. है ना? तो आपका ऐसा भी नहीं है कि आपका फेस्टिवल की वजह से आप पढ़ाई नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. So see that you study properly. Only 1 or 2 days, ठीक है भाई, holidays है, you also should enjoy. But see that you practice all the problems. Okay. So I think we will stop here. And this assignment also I will give you. So thank you all.